Here's the hidden danger. Holding in sneezes isn't just uncomfortable. It can literally rupture your eardrums, burst blood vessels, or even damage your throat due to built-up pressure. In extreme cases, people have ended up in the ER from an innocent little sneeze. So next time you feel a sneeze coming, just let it out.
Is that why we say God bless you?
Well, it's because supposedly your heart stops. In Islam, we say Alhamdulillah because we believe that when God put the soul of Adam into his body, the first thing he did was sneeze. And then he said, all praise be to God.